Rachel's driving the tractor for the first time. I hope this video is not of her hitting something. There we go. Rachel's driving Daddy's new tractor. Rachel! Rachel! She can't hear me. It's too loud. And now Daddy's gonna drive Daddy's new tractor. And then Daddy goes to show us how it's done.
It's a lot easier than driving a lawnmower because lawnmowers go like...
Yeah, Daddy kept it in low gear for you.
This goes like this.
I know it. Good, now we can get some work done in the garden. Even though Daddy has to work. Okay, that was scary. Goodbye.